Hi there, and welcome to step 6 of your persuasive essay, refuting the counterclaim. When you state the other person's position as your counterclaim, be careful, because writers don't want the other side of the argument to sound better than their own. One way of avoiding this is by answering or countering any of the points the other argument has. The writer, you, summarizes the opposition's viewpoint openly and honestly. Ignoring the opposition is futile in that the audience is aware that of the opposing argument and will doubt the credibility of a presentation that chooses to ignore the opposition rather than dealing with it. Ways writers can begin. But the counterclaim is not completely inaccurate, or it is often argued that, or it is true that, or opposing views claim that. The writer that acknowledges some of the opponent's claims may be valid, but the writer still shows that his own claims are stronger. The strength of the writer's claims are more convincing than the opposing viewpoints. A writer might explain the opposition's weakest points, contrasting them with his or her argument's strongest points. Ways writers can begin this. Admittedly, or certainly, or of course, or one cannot deny that, or at the same time, introduce the rebuttal of the concession argument. The writer refutes the opposition's claims, showing that they are incorrect or inconsequential, not a real problem. Here are some ways writers can begin this. Nevertheless, or however, or on the other hand, or but. Then, summarize why the counterargument is not a sufficient solution. Here are some examples that ways writers can begin. Thus, or therefore, or as a result.